Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at
WWE SuperStars!
Yeah, I went out and found a few more. I absolutely love these ladies! Strong and fabulous. Yeah, totally me. After our last video on the WWE SuperStars, I had to go out and find more. I found these online at Mattel.com and Walmart.com. The single dolls, Alicia Fox and Bayley, were $14.99 each. And the Superstar doll and fashion pack, Naomi, was $19.99. On the back of the box, here is a picture of Alicia Fox, and it says her signature style is casual, playful, and polished. Here is Bayley, and her signature style is cute and fun. On the back of Naomi's box, you can see her in two different looks, and it says that her signature move is the moonsault. I don't actually watch wrestling, so I don't really know what that is. But it sounds out of this world! Let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have a little box hair situation. Those curls could use a little TLC. I spray it with a little water and lightly brush it and define the curls to quickly tame the hair without having to go to the doll salon.
Did someone mention doll salon?
Not today! Alicia is wearing a white sleeveless shirt with blue netting, a floral skirt, and tall black boots. And she comes with a black choker necklace. Bayley wears her hair in a ponytail, comes with a pink headband with a bow, wears a purple t-shirt that says, "I'm a hugger," and a really cute black and white skirt. I love the skirt. She has black plastic wristbands on each arm and wears tall, lace-up black boots. Her face sculpt looks a little different than the image on the back of the box. I was hoping for this one. Naomi has black and green hair. It's pretty easy to work with out of the box. She has a big smile, and I like that. It gives her a lot of personality. She wears a colorful one-piece jumpsuit with boot-cut legs, shoulder cutouts, and Velcros in the back, and black shoes. She comes with a second outfit. This is a light blue sleeveless dress and a pair of brown boots. Love these. So she can go from superstar to fashionista. I'm just gonna go and try this on. Oh no, I have a factory defect. The plastic on her arm joint has been pulled, giving her a weak elbow. That is not good for wrestlers. Never fear, Sophie is here! I need to come up with a really cool wrestling name like Sophie the Fabulous. It's a work in progress. Ooh, I really like your skirt. Looks awesome on me. I knew it would. I mainly like Bayley for her fashion. I think her skirt is really cute, and I'm pretty sure Sophie is adding it to her closet. Naomi might have to go through a body transplant because of that elbow. I'm hoping that nobody else's doll has that little defect. But defects are a reality of dolls that are mass-produced. Alicia Fox is a striking doll. I think she is very pretty. I might have to do a little work with that hair. I love the skirt and the choker. But I am very happy to add these three to my collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the WWE Superstar dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.